How to fix Raid Shadow Legends not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily fix your Raid Shadow Legends game if it is not working on a device. If you're trying to play Raid Shadow Legends and it just won't load, or glitches sometimes, or have connectivity problems, then the first thing to do is to check your internet connection. Make sure that you have turned on Wi-Fi or mobile data, and make sure it is stable. You can also try switching networks to see if it helps. If your internet is slow, the game may fail to load. The next thing you want to do is to restart the game. Force close Raid Shadow Legends from the bottom by dragging on it on the bottom and push it upwards to close it off. Now open up the Raid Shadow Legends game once again, and this will restart the game. Sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary glitches. The next thing you want to do is to update your game. Go open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. Search for Raid Shadow Legends in the search bar. Now, once you're inside this page, check if there is an update button available. If there is, tap on update and make sure that you download the latest update for your Raid Shadow Legends game. Once you are done with the download, tap on the play button to relaunch open the game with the updated version. Once you make sure of those, you might be able to fix Raid Shadow Legends not working on a device. So those were how you can easily fix the issue. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.